How to book GrabCar in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book GrabCar in 2023. To book a car, first open the Grab application on your mobile device. Once you're in, enter your location or grant location access. Next, tap on Car right next to Food. After that, add your destination where you want to go. Move this cursor around to select the location. Once you're done, tap on Choose this pickup. Now you can see details of your ride, including total distance and different costs. Select the ride that you want to have for this journey. You can also select the 6-seater if you want. Once you're satisfied, tap on Book Just Grab. Then tap on Enable. And that's it. Your ride has been booked. Also, you can check out our video on how to book a Grab car in advance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.